Welcome to my world, an endless journey. Fragments of my soul